Hey there, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. A company called VTIN contacted me not too long ago. Actually, the company was VTIN Direct, but they also go by VTIN. And they make a whole bunch of different electronics products, headphones, speakers like this, different accessories and cables, and a whole bunch of other good stuff. And they decided to send me a few of their products. Today, I want to go over the VTIN Royaler wireless speaker. It's a Bluetooth speaker. I've done Bluetooth speaker reviews before, so I figured, sure, send it on over, and I will take a look at it. On the bottom here, you have, all the different devices, and they connect to the Bluetooth speaker, and then music comes out. Live text, or not live support, but tech support. Product name on the back. On the back here, you've got some really nice box, actually. Wonderful finish. Nice and shiny. Feels good in the hands. 20-watt powerful drivers with passive subwoofer. High-strength aluminum alloy housing. 8 hours of playing time at volume of 50%. So I assume if you want it at max volume, that will probably have your battery life. Wireless V 4.0 tech makes instant pairing. Might be a language barrier there. I'm going to go ahead and say that's Bluetooth 4.0 technology. Allows for instant pairing and low energy consumption there. Built-in HD mic provides you clear speeches. Not even lying there. Wireless V 4.0 tech makes instant pairing. Built-in HD mic provides you clear speeches. So we know what country it comes from. And then there's just some specifications there. 2 10-watt speakers. That's why they call it 20-watt powerful drivers. 20 watts total power. Frequency response is 90 hertz to 20 kilohertz. So not too much low end there. And then the signal-to-noise ratio is 80 dB. And it's got their website on that. So we'll open this up. It was pretty simple conversation that I had with them. A lot of people contact me. They say, Pat, review my stuff. I said, okay, sure. I don't care what it is. Send it over. Most people are, most people want me to buy it. Some things I do buy. They sent this all to me for free. So it says, hello, we are VTIN. You've got the speaker. And the speaker is beefy. We'll get into that in a second. Got a little card here. Charging the speaker. The indicator light will turn yellow when charging. Indicator light goes out when charging is completed. You have to long press the power button until the blue indicator starts flashing. Then there will be a voice prompt. Powering off, you long press the power button again until it says powering off. Tells you how to pair with your phone. There's a diagram, more specs, what's included in the box. Disposal of the product. So pretty good instructions there. A couple pictures. Very, very good instructions. We've got some bubble wrap. A small USB micro charging cable. So if you're an Android user, you will be familiar with this cable. It's probably 3 feet long. USB on this end and micro USB on that end. Besides this being a Bluetooth speaker, the backup obviously is the good old, 1/8 inch to 1/8 inch or 3.5 millimeter, 3.5 millimeter aux cable, and that's probably the same length, 3 feet. And that's it. So this thing weighs 2 pounds, and you might think, oh, 2 pounds, that's nothing. This thing is really heavy for a Bluetooth speaker. All metal build here. This is all sort of a brushed aluminum look. It's kind of got this like light brown color to it, but I like it. And then up top, you've got these 2 buttons. Kind of hard to see. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. You can see power all the way on the left, play, pause, and then it looks like some volume buttons here. Nothing on that side. You've got some rubber feet on the bottom, which are very nice. On the back, you've got the aux in case you've got like a old iPod or something like that you want to play, or if you're carrying around your Walkman, and then a micro USB to charge the device. And then there's nothing on the other side. Back, top, all that good stuff. So I guess we'll see if I can get this to go. See if it's got any juice in it. So I get my phone out over here, and I'll turn my Bluetooth on, and I'll disconnect from my smartwatch. And apparently this has voice prompts.
Powering on.
I don't know if you saw that. Blue light's on, but when you... This is very smart. I don't know if you can hear it. I'll probably hold it up to you. Obviously, blue is flashing, means it's ready to pair. I will scan here on my phone. See if I can find... Oh, found it automatically. It's called the VTIN Royaler. It's pairing right now. It says that it's paired. And then the light slowly flashes blue, I guess, when it's paired. So solid blue when it's on, and there's this British lady that comes on and says, powering on. And then it says, ready to pair. And then, once you're connected, it's a slow flashing blue, and then that's that. So I guess I'll try to play something and give you my opinion. Obviously, no real audio check here or something like that. I'm just going to play whatever's on SoundCloud and kind of give you my opinion. Oh, what's up? What's up? This thing's pretty nice.
Maximum volume.
Oh, I'm at max volume already. Okay. Initial impressions. Oddly impressed with how good this is. Pretty impressive, the bass that comes out of it. I'm just holding this thing. It's like rumbling in my hand a little bit. Now, it's not hi-fi. It's not, the best thing in the world. I say it probably competes with the Bose SoundLink. And for the price of this, you can buy 2 of these before you can buy a Bose SoundLink. This product retails for $69.99. It has 32 customer reviews. Every single one of them are 5 stars. So, pretty impressive so far. Besides the audio quality, I'll definitely test the battery life. Obviously, I'm not going to turn this into an 8-hour video and see how much battery life it has. I do like the voice prompts. I think, it communicating to you what it's doing, powering on or ready to pair or powering off, other things like that, is a lot nicer than you trying to figure out and going back to the manual what this light up here at the top is trying to communicate to you. Buttons are great, really great placement. Obviously, I can play and pause. Okay, so discovered something new there. Obviously, you have power, play, pause, and then there's like a minus and a plus. This is actually skip forward and skip back. So if you tap that once, it will skip forward or restart the song. If you press and hold it, it will then slowly bring the volume down. So that's good. The controls seem fine. They're snappy. It's obviously got the microphone in it. I will place a test call a little bit later and let you know my findings there. But I'm gonna take this with me. This will be an everyday piece of tech that I carry with me, especially now that the warmer months are coming around. And pardon me. Now that the warmer months are around, I'm definitely gonna test it out. Durability, battery life, call quality, all of that good stuff. And then I will report back, as I always do, in a couple of months to let you know how it stands up. And, if this random VTIN company is kind of the diamond in the rough. But for $70, it's on the, I guess right in the middle. Right in the middle, I would say. There are a lot of Bluetooth speakers from Bose and Logitech and other higher end companies that are in the $75+ range. And there are a lot of Bluetooth headphones that are less than that are in the $10, $20, $30, $40 price range. But this, I think, really hits a sweet spot in the middle. Size is perfect. Weighs a little bit much. It does have a 5,000 milliamp hour battery in it, so that's what gives you that long-lasting 8 hours of power. Things that I wish it had a USB input in it, since it does have a battery in it, rather than this just being a input for charging. I wish that they had that USB port, so you could take your charging cable and charge your phone from the Bluetooth speaker. So it has a battery in it. You don't have to use it for the speaker. You could also use it for its battery and utilize the extra battery you've got to charge another device or something like that. So that would have been cool. But for $70, I can't complain. It's not too terribly pricey, but I understand where people would not justify that much money on this product. But I like it so far. It's not cheap. I mean, this thing is incredibly heavy for a Bluetooth speaker. So I'm going to power this down. I'll end the video. I just want to see if you can hear some of the voice prompts from this little British lady.
Powering off.
I don't know if you heard that, but it's powered off now. So you just, hold buttons to do things like volume and power. Play pause is obviously play pause regardless. So let me know what you think. Like the video if you like it, dislike it if you dislike it. Go check out all the other videos that I have on this channel. Make sure you subscribe if you like what you see. Any questions or comments, leave in the comment section below. I'll be around to answer them to the best of my abilities. And then I'll be back in a couple of months to let you know how this thing stands up. So thanks for hanging around, guys. We'll see you in the next one.